Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into the fascinating journey of wireless technologies, exploring how mobile communication has evolved from the early days of 1G to the lightning-fast speeds of 5G. The evolution of wireless technologies, from 1G to 5G in mobile communication. Our journey takes us back to the 1980s, a time when mobile communication was a novelty. 1G, the first ever mobile communication system, was a game changer, enabling us to make calls on the go. At its core, 1G relied on analog transmission. This meant that voice signals were converted into radio waves, allowing us to communicate wirelessly across limited ranges. The early 1G mobile phones were quite the spectacle. These brick phones were large and heavy, often requiring a sturdy shoulder to bear their weight. Additionally, the coverage area was limited, making communication a bit of a challenge. 1G primarily catered to voice calls, and that was its main purpose. The concept of sending text messages or accessing the internet was still a distant dream during this era. Despite its limitations, 1G set the stage for the future. It laid down the groundwork for subsequent generations, driving innovation in wireless communication. A journey through the history of wireless technology. Our story begins in the 19th century with the invention of the telegraph. This groundbreaking technology enabled long-distance communication through electrical signals and Morse code, laying the foundation for wireless transmission. Enter Guglielmo Marconi, an Italian inventor credited with pioneering wireless telecommunication. In the early 20th century, Marconi successfully transmitted radio signals across the Atlantic, forever changing the way we communicate. During the World Wars, wireless communication played a pivotal role in military operations. The development of radio technology continued, leading to more compact and efficient devices. As the 20th century progressed, wireless technology expanded to include television broadcasting. Families gathered around their screens to witness news, entertainment, and cultural events like never before. In the mid-20th century, the launch of communication satellites opened up a new era of global connectivity. These satellites enabled long-distance calls, television broadcasts, and data transmission across continents. Exploring 2G, the Global System for Mobile Communications, GSM. Our journey takes us to the 1990s, a period marked by remarkable progress in mobile technology. The transition from 1G to 2G introduced us to digital communication, enabling a host of new features. At the heart of 2G was GSM, the Global System for Mobile Communications. This standardized technology paved the way for seamless communication across borders, making roaming a familiar term. Unlike 1G's analog transmission, 2G brought us digital communication. Voice and data were now transformed into binary code, ensuring clearer calls and introducing the concept of encryption for enhanced security. 2G's most iconic innovation was short message service, or SMS. Suddenly, sending text messages became a popular and efficient way to communicate, giving rise to the era of texting. GSM's digital technology meant improved call quality and the ability to carry data. Though data speeds were modest, 2G laid the foundation for more advanced data services in the future. GSM's standardized technology encouraged the adoption of mobile phones worldwide. This standardization also meant that phones from different manufacturers could work on various networks. As 2G evolved, we witnessed the transition to 2.5G. This brought us General Packet Radio Service, GPRS, enabling basic internet access and paving the way for more data-driven experiences. Unveiling the power of 3G, the third-generation communication system. Our journey takes us to the early 2000s, a time when mobile communication was about to experience a significant leap forward. The advent of 3G marked the beginning of a new era. At the heart of 3G was the promise of high-speed data transmission. This allowed for faster web browsing, video streaming, and multimedia experiences that were previously unthinkable on mobile devices. One of 3G's standout features was the ability to make video calls. This technology opened up a new dimension of communication, enabling face-to-face conversations even when miles apart. 3G's high data speeds transformed mobile phones into portable internet devices. People could now access their emails, social media, and other online services while on the move. With 3G's capabilities, the groundwork for the app ecosystem was laid. This eventually led to the explosive growth of mobile applications that we see today. While 3G brought numerous benefits, it wasn't without challenges. The demand for higher data speeds led to increased power consumption, and the infrastructure needed to be expanded to accommodate the growing network. As 3G matured, we saw the evolution to high-speed packet access, HSPA, and what's often referred to as 3.5G. This brought further improvements to data speeds and overall user experience, unleashing the power of 4G, the fourth-generation communication system. Our journey takes us to the late 2000s, a period when mobile technology was on the cusp of another transformation. The arrival of 4G brought about significant advancements in speed and capabilities. At the heart of 4G was a speed revolution. This generation promised lightning-fast data rates, enabling seamless streaming, online gaming, and instant downloads like never before. 4G's low latency allowed for real-time interactions. Video conferencing, multiplayer gaming, and other activities became smoother, eliminating frustrating delays. The speed and bandwidth of 4G opened the doors to high-definition streaming. People could now enjoy their favorite movies, videos, and multimedia content in stunning clarity. 4G's capabilities led to the flourishing of the app ecosystem. With faster speeds, more sophisticated applications were developed, transforming how we use our mobile devices. 4G's robust connectivity played a crucial role in the growth of the Internet of Things. Smart devices, wearable tech, and connected appliances became more prevalent thanks to 4G's capabilities. As 4G evolved, we saw the introduction of long-term evolution, LTE, and sometimes referred to as 4.5G. These iterations brought further improvements in speed, reliability, and overall user experience, unveiling the future with 5G, the fifth-generation communication system. Our journey takes us to the present day, a time when the rollout of 5G is reshaping how we connect, communicate, and experience the digital world. At the core of 5G is its promise of unprecedented speed and bandwidth. With data rates reaching gigabit per second speeds, 5G opens the doors to virtually instantaneous downloads, streaming, and real-time interactions. One of 5G's standout features is its ultra-low latency. This means that the delay between sending and receiving data is minimized, making real-time applications like remote surgery, autonomous vehicles, and augmented reality truly feasible. 5G's architecture is designed to accommodate the massive number of devices in our increasingly connected world. This makes it a cornerstone for the Internet of Things, IoT, where everything from smart homes to industrial sensors can seamlessly communicate. Beyond personal devices, 5G is poised to transform industries. From healthcare and manufacturing to entertainment and transportation, 5G's capabilities are fostering innovation and enabling revolutionary applications. 5G plays a pivotal role in the creation of smart cities. With its high-speed, low-latency connectivity, cities can implement intelligent infrastructure for efficient public services, traffic management, and more. As we embrace the power of 5G, we must also address concerns about energy consumption, infrastructure deployment, and potential health effects. Balancing progress with sustainability is a crucial aspect of this technology's journey. Thank you for joining us on this journey through mobile communications history. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more tech insights, and share your thoughts in the comments below.